Density and buoyancy. Today, STEM NOLA is here to demonstrate the science behind the two. We're here with Alkorn Lafargue, 9th grader at Ben Franklin High School, starting school on Monday, and educational advisor Adam Nunn with STEM NOLA. Good morning, thanks for being here. So we've got a pile of candy in front of us, and what does this have to do with buoyancy and density?
Yeah, today we're going to be experimenting with buoyancy and density with the candy bars, water, and a clear cup.
Okay, let's start first right out the gate. What is density?
Density is just how much weight is in a single piece of matter.
Okay, and what's buoyancy?
Buoyancy just tells if something's going to float or sink.
Okay, and this is a great experiment to figure that out because apparently candy bars weigh differently?
Yes.
Okay, so show us how it's done.
Just got to pour our water in the cup.
Okay. It doesn't matter how much water, right?
No.
Okay. And I've already got my cup of water right here.
I got a Three Musketeers here.
Okay.
So these one's gonna sink or float.
Oh gosh, let's see. I think it might float actually. I think that Three Musketeers, what is like a nougat center, so it might be a little more fluffier on the inside.
Be correct.
Yes, look at me. I haven't learned about this in a long time, but some things stick. That's pretty cool, and it's because it's fluffier on the inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has more air.
Has more air. Interesting. Okay, that makes a lot of sense to me.
So essentially the buoyant force is the force that the water is applying on the object. So since it has all that air, that fluffiness, like you said earlier, it's lighter, it's less dense. There's less of it, like Alkorn said earlier, there's less of it packed into that same space. So it's going to float instead of sinking.
All right, good deal. Okay, but it's going to be different for some of the other ones.
Yeah, we have a Milky Way.
Okay, I forget what's in a Milky Way. Do you know what's in a Milky Way?
I think it's a caramel mostly.
Okay, so it's something a little heavier than that light, fluffy nougat.
So it's gonna sink or float.
I don't know. This is a toss-up for me. I think it's probably going to be somewhere in the middle.
Let's see. And
Oh, it totally just went to the bottom.
Yep.
Pretty
I'm
cool.
saying that caramel is a lot more dense. than
Yeah. Okay, and I know like you got a Snickers here, and that's got peanuts and caramel. That definitely's got to sink. Yeah. And then let's try it out. I want to try the Twix. Can I do this one?
Go for it.
Okay. I haven't done this. This is so cool.
Like, especially in New Orleans, buoyancy and density is something that we deal with every day, right? We've got, the Port of New Orleans is really important economic center, and we see boats going up and down the river all the time. So understanding buoyancy is really important.
Yeah, we're surrounded by water, and especially knowing that with like life vests and when we're out on the water or by the pool, like having that knowledge can keep you safe. Look at the Twix floated. I would not have thought, because it's got caramel in it. I thought it would have sunk.
But it's also got that really long wafer in it that's also really, really airy.
That's how they get you. Isn't that how they get you? Well, okay, let's talk about STEM NOLA. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about being a part of this organization?
Just learning new things every day.
That's pretty cool. And if for families out there, new school year is about to start, if they want to get their child, their student involved, how can they register?
Well, they can definitely register at stemnola.com, just www.stemnola.com for any of our upcoming events in the city and beyond. We're also on the move a lot, so we're going to be having events all throughout the country, in Philadelphia, South Carolina, Alabama, Florida. We'll be around.
Y'all are on the move. I love that. Alkorn, did you just eat that candy?
Yeah.
I knew it. I saw it at the corner of my eye. Thanks for being here, y'all. This was a lot of fun.
Thank you, thank you.
All right, well, this year's Sugar Bowl Country Kickoff Concert is